All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into Draw.io on the cyber.org range. So it's going to have to something we download and actually use offline. So we're going to be using it offline in the actual event as well. So here we are at the cyber cartographer from the GitHub page, and we're just going to scroll all the way down. I'm just doing this to keep the commands handy because I'd much rather copy and paste, and it's a whole lot easier to copy and paste from within the environment than to move it out. So we're down here on 1B, and realistically, to talk about the Draw.io is to talk about this is the mapping tool that we're using. This is the mapping tool that is essential to being able to communicate what targets are on the box or in the environment that are actually going to be useful to get to. My videos aren't connecting. Useful to get to. So now that we're down here to 1B and I scrolled past it, um, I'll talk a little bit more about it when we get there. But for right now, what we need to do is we need to make sure we install the updates. I'm going to jump this right on the desktop um, because every time we spin up a new VM, we can make the desktop as ugly and as dirty as we want it because it's just going to go away in like an hour and a half anyway. So starting with the sudo apt get update or just sudo apt update. Um, and let that cook for a little while. And I'm just managing my windows here. So there's going to be a lot of pausing the video back and forth because things are going a little slow, and I don't want to move as slow as this thing is. All right, so while we're doing this, I'm just going to keep yammering on about the importance of the cyber cartographer. So I'm going to copy there, and then remember Control Shift V dumps it in a terminal, and yes. So cyber cartographer is going to be kind of your go-to. It doesn't seem as important because they're not the ones that are actually doing a lot of the flag hunting, but they're the ones that are pulling